Hey guys, what's happening? How to open orders on Kraken. To open a buy or sell order on Kraken, just navigate to the Kraken wallet, right? Hit trade at the bottom right. Hit the first option, buy. Select your crypto, so Bitcoin, enter the amount in the payment method, right? Don't forget about this step. You can use USDT or Tether, Apple Pay for debit and credit cards inside like the Apple Pay, or manually add your debit or credit card. So in my case, I'm gonna stay with the cash. Hit continue and confirm your order. Okay. But if you want to open a position on Kraken, you need to use the Kraken Pro. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and use Kraken Pro. Right. Select your desired asset pair. Choose an order type. Let's say I'm gonna buy. And instead of market, I'm gonna use limit order. All right. And specify the amount you wish to trade. Let's say 5.82. Okay. And the process is similar on both the main Kraken app and the Kraken Pro interface. Okay. Hit buy or sell, and your position will be opened here in that under the chart. So basically, that's it. If you don't know the limit or market order, basically market order is to trade instantly at the best available current price, right? Limit order is to set a specific price you want your order to execute at or better, all right? So yeah, if you select a limit, enter the limit price and the amount or quantity you want to trade. Basically, that's it. And yeah, let me know in the comments if the video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.